It's great to welcome you to Lobbs Hole, where Snowy Hydro is constructing Australia's largest committed renewable energy project, Snowy 2.0, the pumped hydro expansion of the mighty Snowy scheme. I'm Alex Washitska. As Quality Coordinator, my role is to coordinate civil engineering and construction activities, working closely between teams to ensure extremely high quality standards are being maintained. This month we'll show you progress at the Tantangra Intake, explore steep terrain on Tantangra Access Road, and also visit Tantangra to look at the intake construction. Let's take a look at what's been happening. At the Tantangra Intake, there has been a huge amount of progress. This is where water will exit the Tower Race tunnel when we generate 2,000 megawatts of power from Snowy 2.0 and also enter the tunnel for pumping. We have moved more than 310,000 cubic metres of earth so far from a total of 620,000. In addition, more than 24,000 metres of rock bolts have been installed and we've sprayed 8,300 square metres of shotcrete to support the wall. As part of quality assurance for shotcrete, one of the main tests we conduct is for compressive strength. Samples of the shotcrete are taken from both the truck and cored from the face to make sure it meets the intended strength requirements. We also conduct pull testing on the rock bolts to check they have been installed correctly, ensuring the bolts are meeting the design and quality specifications. The total height of the intake excavation will be 104 metres when completed, with about 31 metres of it below the water level. And the concrete intake structure will be an impressive 50 metres high. Turning a narrow fire trail in steep terrain into a 6-kilometre road suitable for heavy vehicles is no easy feat. With the help of subcontractor Lead, we've been pioneering construction of an internal access road to a rock emplacement area on Tantangra Reservoir. The works began from both ends across very mountainous and challenging terrain, evoking memories of road construction during the original Snowy scheme days. It was a major milestone when the two pioneering fronts joined across the Middle Creek cliffs. We have installed a temporary bridge with a 36-metre span across Middle Creek, capable of supporting a fully loaded 80-tonne dump truck. We're now focusing on excavating a 30-metre cut across the top of the cliffs so that we can achieve a consistent 5-metre wide road with passing bays. Tantangra Intake has hit a milestone. We have completed Stage 1 earthworks and are now moving into Stage 2. Stage 1 involved excavation of just over 205,000 cubic metres of earth. The next stage will involve a further 78,000 cubic metres of drilling and blasting earthworks, plus modifications to the cut batter slopes and ground support systems. To support the Stage 1 excavation, more than 18,000 metres of rock bolts have been drilled and installed, and approximately 6,100 square metres of shotcrete have been sprayed. Currently, the excavation is about 26 metres deep, and it will be extended to a total depth of 55 metres. Tantangra Intake is where water will enter the headrace tunnel. When the power station is in pumping mode, the water will exit the intake and fill Tantangra Reservoir. Thanks for watching the June Snowy 2.0 video. Stay tuned for next month's project update. You can also follow Snowy Hydro on our social media channels, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.